Hi everybody, my name is Adam. I'm from Ireland, a small town called Tullamore. Very few people have heard of it, but right now I'm living in Daegu, South Korea. I've been living here for just over 4 years now. I teach English to elementary school students, right now 4th and 6th grade. The levels differ quite a lot. One is the highest grade, the other is the lowest grade, so it's just quite difficult sometimes. Right now, I'm just an English ESL teacher, but at the moment, I'm studying to do the Masters of Education with ESL. I'm almost halfway through the course now, so I'm looking forward to getting it finished. Um, at the moment, I hope this class will help me with my general instruction skills, like how to actually plan a lesson properly, because up until now, I've just kind of been doing it how I saw fit. And so far already I've learned quite a lot about the structure of classes and the models and things like that, and I really hope that it will affect my teaching in a very positive way in the future. Um, I hope to read all of your assignments and I hope to study with you all. Have a good day. Bye bye.